Hello everyone, welcome back to Abena'sKitchen. In this video, we'll be making my super soft and fluffy donut recipe. Yes, we are going to add some mashed potatoes to our dough. This will make it very hydrated, soft and moist. My potato was quite big. It was 250 grams. If you've got smaller potatoes, you can add 2. If you got something big like mine, you just add 1. I've got 400 grams of plain flour. For this recipe, you can use either plain or bread flour. I went ahead and added a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's 2.5 teaspoons of dried yeast. I'm adding some pineapple essence. Go ahead and use any flavors of your choice. I'm adding my mashed potatoes. It's about 5 tablespoons. Just in case you want to use the packaged mashed potatoes, know that you have to add 5 tablespoons of that. Just added in my egg. I'll go ahead and add my milk. I added 100 milliliters of milk, but then I'm not adding everything at once. I'm adding it gradually because you may not need all the 100 milliliters. It all depends on your potatoes, the type of potatoes that you are using, and the amount of potatoes that you use. This is a fail-proof recipe. You need to try it. The potatoes will make the donuts super fluffy and soft. Also, you wouldn't taste the potatoes at all. These donuts will stay soft for days. Make these for your guests and everybody will be asking you for the recipe. I kneaded my dough for about 10 minutes. If you've got a mixer, go ahead and use it. Just to let you know that the dough will be a bit sticky. If it's too sticky, just add more flour. At this point, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter at room temperature. Knead your dough until it becomes smooth. I'm going to put it back into my mixing bowl and then cover it until it doubles in size. Grease my bowl with some butter so the dough doesn't stick to it. It took 2 hours for the dough to get to this size. It will depend on the temperature in your kitchen. If it's warmer, you will definitely need less time. I'm going to flour my surface and then roll the dough out. cut my donuts, I'll be using this round container, and for the hole in the middle, I'll use a bottle lid. We are going to proof them for the second time. I'm going to show you how you can make the round shapes even without a donut cutter or the bowl I used earlier on. You're going to cover and then proof for at least 20 minutes. We're gonna fry our donuts now. So after I take them out of the oil, I'm gonna drain them on a kitchen towel and then glaze them with some regular sugar. These are the ones we made without the cutter. They came out really well. I hope you try this recipe because they are super delicious. Look at how soft they are. Yummy.